AT Nation, welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing to you guys another baking video. So today I am making chocolate brownies. So let's dig into the video. Remember to subscribe, like and comment and do all the nice things, and you can leave suggestions in the comment section on what you would want to see me do next. So let's get straight into the video. Obviously going to need is a good bar of chocolate. This is 70% cocoa from Lind, and then I am also gonna make it more chocolatey using cocoa powder, that is unsweetened cocoa powder, and then your flour and the rest of the things you will see as I mix in. One more important ingredient is this type of butter you use. You don't use margarine when you do this type of thing because margarine has quite a lot of oil compared to this. So you use like pure genuine butter that is made from like milk and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna start by melting our chocolate and our butter together in a microwave. You can melt it in a pot, but that takes a lot of time, so we are going to do the microwave method. So you put it all together, and then after you do that, you melt it 30 seconds at a time. What I just did is I cut 100 grams of the butter, and I am going to put it in a small container like that. And then I am gonna take the chocolate and also break it apart and put it in the container. You can use any type of chocolate. I prefer dark, but milk chocolates work as well. So this is 100 grams of the chocolate. I'll put the description in the description below of every measurement that I use. So I'm just putting the dark chocolate in there. And then we're gonna microwave for 30 seconds, come back and whisk it, put it back another 30 seconds until everything is combined. Okay, so now as you can see, the butter has melted but the chocolate hasn't, so we are going to whisk it in and put it back for another 30 seconds. After another 30 seconds, now the chocolate is starting to melt as well. So I'm gonna whisk it and make sure there are no lumps inside. I just switched to a spoon because the container is a bit small for the whisk. Next, I'm just gonna put in 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence in the wet mix. Ooh. I'm gonna let this cool just a little bit before I add my eggs because I don't want my eggs to curdle. And when I do that, I'm gonna measure my flour, and then I'm gonna do 1.5 cup of cake flour. This is snowflake cake flour, but you can use any brand, but I trust snowflake. So it's 1. I don't see a half. So there's a half, and then a half cup of flour. That's my sister, by the way. She's behind the camera today. So And then I am gonna add in my baking powder. Okay, I'm gonna reuse the spoon. So royal baking powder. And then I am gonna add 1 teaspoon of that. I don't like things that taste like they have a lot of baking powder. So I'm just gonna do that. I feel like 1 is about even. Okay, so I'm gonna mix that in. And then now I'm gonna go back to this mixture so that it must not cuddle up again. And then I'm gonna add 3 large eggs, and they should be at room temperature. So just take them out of the fridge for a while. And then you're gonna add 1. I'm gonna put this to the side and then use a whisk. So 1 egg at a time and whisking in between. So I'm gonna take, that's enough. This is 1 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. 1/3, yeah, 1/3. Oh, okay, that's not a train smash. I'll just do it slower. For the sugar, you can use caster sugar, but a cheaper version, a cheaper option rather, is just like regular white sugar with fine granules, because I saw caster sugar is ridiculously expensive, but white sugar can do. So I'll just use like a cup of white sugar. So a cup of sugar is going into the mixture with the chocolate and the butter. And then now we're gonna give it a really good whisk. So I'm gonna put this away. This tastes gorgeous. Oh, as you can see, we just have like a really chocolatey mixture. Now I just have my flour there. I opened like, okay, I'm just making it flat, and then I'm gonna fold this mixture into here. Right, so you pour a bit at a time, and then you mix it in. So I've put some baking paper in the small pan, and then I'm gonna put my mixture in there, and then we're gonna be ready for the oven. I am currently preheating the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, and then we're gonna bake it at that very same temperature for about 20 to 25 minutes. but I would suggest you keep an eye on it because ovens differ. So just in case you just to be sure that you don't burn it, keep an eye on it. So I'm just putting the dough in there. And then I'm gonna make it flat with the spoon. So I have laid the dough on the pan and it just looks flat. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's gonna crack up when you bake it either way, so the top doesn't really matter. And I am gonna place it in my preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. And I forgot to do a shout out to Jenna K, who actually taught me how to make these chocolate brownies. So thank you very much, Jenna K. I know Liraj is gonna send you the link to the video. So yeah, we're gonna put that in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes and we'll check it out later. Hi guys, so we have taken out our chocolate brownie from the oven. I am touching it with my bare hands because I've let it cool for a bit. And before you can let it cool, you need to make sure that it is cooked. And what I normally do is just take a toothpick and press it through. If it comes out clean and not wet, it means your thing is done and then you can carry on. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna take it out with the baking paper and then lay it on a wooden cutting board, and then it's gonna cool from there. Then I can cut it into nice pieces, plate it anyhow and let the people enjoy. So I have cut one section in the middle and then I'm gonna show you how it looks. It looks like crunchy on the outside, and then in the middle it looks gooey and it looks cakey, which is the consistency we are looking for. And then I'm gonna go right ahead and cut the rest of them for you guys. So you just use a bread knife so that it cuts properly. So I have cut one section in the middle and then I'm gonna show you how it looks. It looks like crunchy on the outside, and then in the middle it looks gooey and it looks cakey, which is the consistency we are looking for. And then I'm gonna go right ahead and cut the rest of them for you guys. So you just use a bread knife so that it cuts properly. That is really dark, rich and cakey. Please try this recipe. I like it when most of you tell me how it went, how you enjoyed it. So please do remember to like, comment and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. And please check out my other baking videos. I'll link them up here or at the end of the video. Bye.